Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Hyperdrive. So first we should know what is Bootstrap, why Bootstrap 5 came. So Bootstrap 4 have 5 tiers, but Bootstrap came with another tier which double XL. We cannot customize utilities in Bootstrap 4 but we can in 5. Many of you have question about what is utility, so don't worry, we will discuss in this video. Bootstrap 5 have grid layouts which Bootstrap 4 don't have. Here is the official documentation of Bootstrap 5. First we will set up, then start discussing topics. See whether you can directly install Bootstrap in your system or use to links in your every project statically. Here I'm linking my project, maybe in future we will use by installing. Now our linking step is done, so let's discuss these topics. First one is little bit know-how of Bootstrap, which we already discussed, so let's move to another topic, which is containers. It align your content responsively. Next is grid, which according to me is the most basic and important topic, because through this we can handle website more responsively rather than applying CSS media queries. Grid works with columns and rows. Each row have 12 columns. Grid have few options for different sizes screens like XS, SM, MD, LG, XL, XXL. As right now all three divs have SM3, which means when small screen started, so rather than overlapping on each other it'll divide, as small screen have 3 columns in each row. Bootstrap specified classes for some colors as typography is a feature of Bootstrap for styling and formatting the text content. We can use this as Bootstrap specified classes for buttons too, and button groups are series of buttons together on a single line or stack them in a vertical column. Here is the demonstration. For faster mobile-friendly and responsive development, Bootstrap includes dozens of utility classes for showing, hiding, aligning, and spacing content. Some of them are here. Now navbar, I am copying a code so that can explain you every class in detail, but in short time navbars require a wrapping .navbar with .navbar expand SM, MD, LG, XL double XL for responsive collapsing. .navbar nav for a full height. .navbar toggler use for navigation toggling behaviors. .navbar text for adding vertically centered strings of text. Dropdown class in navbar used to show dropdown. .collapse. .navbar collapse for grouping and hiding navbar contents by a parent breakpoint. The carousel is a slideshow for cycling through a series of content. The .active class needs to be added to one of the slides, otherwise the carousel will not be visible. The demonstration is here. Add captions to your slides easily with the .carousel caption element within any .carousel item. You can also add the indicators to the carousel alongside the controls. A card is a flexible and extensible content container. It includes wide variety of content. We mostly use card in e-commerce website to show products with description. Here is the usage. The building block of a card is a card body. Use it whenever you need a padded section within a card. You can add card title for title and card text for description. The alt attribute provides alternative information for an image if a user for some reason cannot view it, for example because of slow connection, an error in the src attribute, etc. Next is progress bar. We use the class progress and progress bar for simplest progress bar. As now accordion. It uses collapse internally to make it collapsible. To render an accordion that's expanded, add the .open class on the .accordion. The most basic list group is an unordered list with list items and the proper classes. Build upon it with the options that follow, or with your own CSS as needed. We use list group class in main div and list group item for the enlisting. We do have so many attributes in form section, and obviously all these are not covered here. I will make another video on forms only. For now here we are discussing floating attribute of the form, which is possible with the class.form floating. As Bootstrap tooltip displays informative text when users hover, focus, or tap an element. Modal used to show alert, warning or any other data which is successful or rejected. The example of modal you can see in the image. It automatically updates Bootstrap navigation or list group components based on scroll position to indicate which link is currently active. Of Canvas build hidden sidebars into your project for navigation, shopping carts, and more with a few classes. Quickly manage the layout, alignment, and sizing of grid columns, navigation, components, and more with a full suite of responsive Flexbox utilities. Here are some responsive variations for dflex and d'inline flex. That's it for this video. If you do have any query, let me know in the comment section. Keep loving, keep subscribing.